Keep them in my summer house. The general. Keep them in my summer house.
I've been told how cold this fucking earth is, so I had a gun before I had a girlfriend. I got chicken plates, niggas ain't feeling me. Aim for the head or you niggas ain't killing me. Just came up, but I got a long way to go. I manage a bakery, wake up and make some dough. Whoa, money flowing like H2O. Build a dam on my hand and pray that it holds. Yeah, I fucked around with weed and snow. Fast money's in my blood, bank rolls. It got hot one year, so I was laying low. My wrist looking sorta plain, so I made it froze. They say money doesn't grow on trees. Okay, little nigga, money grows on me. I'm a walking ATM with a black Mercedes Benz with the rims over 20. I be stealing all your friends. I don't just grind, little nigga, I put in work, I murder the beat. Get a shovel and some more dirt. Don't make me murder you, don't make me hurt you. When it come to tracks, I go in like a curfew. I'm on track like a Formula 1. It's me plus a beat and the formula's done. More money, more problems, so I roll with a gun. Cause y'all niggas make it hot and go to war with the sun. A lot of friends change, so you better check your forecast. Shitting on these niggas like I asked them for a hall pass. Hall monitor, sicker than some AIDS, got no thermometer. Fire for flame, that's a red thermometer. Keep the fucking hammer like a handyman carpenter. All y'all haters gon' make my name popular. I spray those things, I'm just like a coach, I don't play no games.
25 tickets, 25 tickets, 25